Back with another video, and today we are going to be training legs. So let's go work out.
So we're starting off with the hack squat. Let's go. Nice little warm up. Warm up, 10 reps. So we've got some weight on there on a feeler set. Anywhere between 4 to 6 reps. Get the blood pumping. Let's go. Feeler set. Let's go. It's that time. Failure time. Lock in. Bit of an L. Let's go. Time to smash a failure set. Oh. Leg day humbles you for real. Oh. I got 6 last time, I'm on 6 now, one more. Yes, let's go. Split squat, Smith machine. Gotta use the mind today. Man, leg day humbles you. Hey, no. Not even having weight. My word, no. Got the deadlift. Let's get it. got the leg extension. I'm going to lower it down some weight and get the ultimate squeeze. Slow and controlled, get ultimate squeeze. Standing calf raise, let's go. That goes up to 175 kg, soon come. Now it's time for the ultimate Stairmaster, the ultimate fat burner. So let's go do 10 minutes on here. Let's go. You ready? That is the leg session complete. And this leg session, I didn't have the energy like I did on my last leg session. So I just tuned into my mind and I just thought, you know what, just do the best I can and just push myself. Although I don't have the energy like I did on my last workout, I still said, you know what, just do my best. Because some days, I'm going to keep it real, you're not going to feel like doing things. But if you just say, do you know what, the energy ain't quite there, but I'm going to turn up anyway and I'm going to put in my best. When you've done whatever it is that you've done, you'll say, do you know what? I feel good because I put in the work and I performed to the best I can with low energy. So that is the legs day, smashed off, and that's what we trained today. And there was an ultimate pump. To be honest, I did hit a personal best on the leg press. I actually looked back and I got 5 reps, and this time I think I got 7. So that's good. But yeah, it's like anything in life. If you don't have the energy, trust me, turn up and do it anyway. And when you've completed it, you'll feel rewarded. Like, damn, I didn't feel like doing it, but you know what? I turned up and I did my best and I performed regardless. So if you're not already, I would appreciate it a lot if you could subscribe. And as always, remember to stay locked in. You got this. Let's get it. And I shall see you in the next one. Let's go.